Alright, it's February 6th, about 3 p.m. This is the second big blizzard of this winter. This is the 2010 blizzard, I guess. It started snowing probably about 9 o'clock yesterday morning, and it's been snowing for about 31 hours straight. This is the back balcony here, the sliding glass door. As you can see, there's about 2 feet of snow on our window, drifted up. That's our snow grill right there, or our snow grill, our barbecue grill. Now it's a snow grill. If you look down the way, this is the back of the other townhouses here. I'm kind of afraid to open up the door, but I'll walk downstairs so you can get a look outside. I just spent about an hour shoveling out. Here is the window, and it's about another 2 feet of snowdrift on the second window here, but I think that's just because the bars are there. But there's the parking garage across the street. Got the guy plowing snow back there. There's the truck. So I'm gonna walk downstairs and show you the damage down there. Walking down the steps. This is the first floor here. And it's still snowing a little bit right now. So I just made a path from the front door to the mailbox. And it's drifted up about 3 or 4 feet right here. There's our path. Some guys out there walking around. Some doggy. But this is the front of the house. Snow shovel. So we'll walk to the mailbox and check out the damage. There's the trees to the left of the house. There he is, plowing snow. And this is Devil's Pass, I've named. Cut through the bank of snow so we can get out to the car. It's about 3 feet right here. Alright, so this is the path that I just shoveled, going all the way to the mailbox. And the streets are still pretty bad. You can see the guys down there walking around. And this is my neighbor's house here. He just let me use that snow shovel. It's a little better than mine, so I shoveled the front of his house. Let me step back here so we can turn around and see the front of our house. Alright, so that's the front of the house. I don't know, it's at least 2 feet. We got a lot of snow drifts in front of our house for some reason, from our house down. But you can barely see half of the door up there. Okay, let's walk to the mailbox here. The bushes are all covered up. Car completely covered. This is my wonderful path. It took me an hour to cut up with a shovel. We're gonna have a nice time trying to get out that door. I don't think I made it better by piling the snow in front of their door as a path or whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna put my Netflix movies in the mail. Probably won't even go out until Monday, but it's a thought that counts, I guess. But yeah, there you go. Pretty crazy. Just looking back towards the house, the path that we just walked down and that I shoveled. This is looking towards the back. I haven't even opened up the garage yet. I think I'm gonna go do that right now and see what it's like. I'm gonna walk back. I'm gonna zoom out there a little bit. That's back by the railroad tracks. We'll go open up the garage door and see how that is. A lot easier walking after you shovel. Alright. Devil's Pass. So Katie can, if she comes home, she might be staying at a hotel tonight. She went to work today and yesterday. But I cut her a little path here so she can walk in from across the garage there. And the guy's still shoveling snow up there. Doing a pretty good job. Alright. So we're gonna walk back in the house. I'll walk straight through. I'll go to the garage and open it up and see how bad off it is. Might not be able to get out. Katie's car is parked there. She took my Jeep to work. So, open up the garage door and see how bad it is. There's Katie's car. Snow free. My poor baby's covered over, I'm sure. Okay, so yeah. There's the back. I'd say it's probably three and a half feet right there. It's probably mostly snowdrift. They plowed a couple times, but try to walk through it. I'm really not looking forward to shoveling this. All right, try to walk through here. Okay, yeah, up to my knees. All right, so that's the back of the house. There and all the snow. Like I said, it was up to my knees. I didn't go all the way down, probably like 3 feet or so. And then snow where the guy stopped plowing up there. And this is looking back down. All the cars covered up. But there you go. Try to walk back through here. I'm still, was you here for the last storm?